Hi, I'm Theo, and today we're cooking on the Greek barbecues a whole medley of skewers. And instead of going for the traditional halloumi, we're going to be doing some fantastic North Indian spiced paneer straight on the barbecue with a bunch of different vegetables and these beautiful big king prawns with a lovely lime and chilli marinade. So when you're going to make skewers, the general rule of thumb is try to keep most of the bits going on the skewer at the same size. So what we've got here, we've got some asparagus, some tender stem broccoli, peppers, mushrooms, courgettes. We're just going to cut these up to start with, about the same size, and thread them onto these skewers ready for the barbecue. Right, so now that's all done, I just want to add a bit more flavour to the paneer. So a bit like halloumi, it doesn't have very much of a strong flavour, it's quite mild. So we've just got some ready mixed curry powder, and we're just going to dust that over the paneer. And it couldn't be easier. So we're just going to thread these straight onto the skewers. And that's the great thing I really like about these Greek barbecues, is when you do skewers, they're substantial. These are the little ones. You get 11 of these on those barbecues. And that's enough for a person there, that's substantial. We've got these beautiful prawns here, skin on, head on, the lot. We're not taking any of it off. We're going to skewer them with everything on so that when we cook them, that's going to protect that flesh inside and keep it really moist. Let's get these on the barbecue, and while we're waiting for these to cook, we're going to make our lime and chilli dressing. Quick lime and chilli dressing couldn't be simpler. Couple of limes. You can use fresh chilli or chilli flakes. We've got some of these chilli flakes which actually gives a bit more of a smoky flavour. A little pinch of salt, just a few drops of honey, and finally just a few drops of olive oil. We'll decant that into something a bit smaller, a bit more cuter, and we'll get the prawns off in a second. This is what I love about the Greek barbecue. So we've been using these as part of our family for as long as I remember. My dad's got one, I've got one, my bapu's got one. We've been using them for centuries, decades, thousands of years, I don't know. But what's great about them is you can bung the stuff on, it all cooks evenly, it all cooks at the same time, and you haven't got to stand there flipping them over. I mean, they look fantastic. Let's peel off one of these. Absolutely delicious. You can get this recipe and a load more at cyprusbbq.co.uk.